Good morning.
Good morning.
How did you sleep?
Good.
How old are you?
Baby Melon.
Yeah, baby Madeline. Kylie, how old are you?
1.
What's your name? Why'd you get a sticker?
I need help.
What do you need help with?
Some more stickers.
Your sticker's not sticky because you took it in the tub. Here.
Mm,
Why did you get a sticker?
because I want to walk.
You want to walk?
Cockadoo.
Is that what the book says? What's a duck say?
Quack, quack.
What's a cow say?
Mmm.
What's a kitty cat say?
Meow.
What's your name? What's your name?
Hallie.
How old are you?
1.
How? Hey, here's your yogurt.
No. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Bless you.
Thank you, sweetie.
Mommy.
Yeah.
It's outside, birdie.
There is a birdie outside.
Why?
He's flying? Do you like birds?
It's outside.
It is outside. I see it. What did you see at the zoo?
Animals. Bless you.
Thank you, sweetheart. Hey, Kylie. How old are you?
1.
Good job. What's your name?
Kylie.
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 That's right. How big are you?
So big.
So big.
I'm in book.
You want a book? You want a book what?
Please.
Alright. Here's your book.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
I need help.
Okay.
On my neck.
You want the yogurt back? I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye, Kylie. Say bye-bye.
No.
Love you.
Love you.
Can you say your days of the week?
Monday. I need help.
What do you need help with?
I need help.
Comes after Monday. Tuesday, that's right. Then what?
Nina, funny.
Nana's funny?
Big truck.
Well, it is a big truck.
What's that?
It's a motorcycle, you know that one.
Motorcycle.
Mm-hmm.
Truck. Car.
Yep.
You have that now.
What do you want now? You want the camera?
I want the camera.
No, the camera's taking your pictures.